In this video, we will create how to blend image using Canva. Open blank video page, click on elements. In the search box, search for nature. Click on videos. Let's select this video. Right click and set video as background. Click on elements. Select an image like this. Increase this image size. Cover this video. Now click on apps. In the search box, search for image blender. Now select this app, image blender. Under tools, click on linear. You can move this point like this so that it will blend with the behind video like this. Now click on save. When you play, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.